Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Peacesent Makeover. So today I'm here again with
the Perseverance guys.
And we're going to be reacting to
Jessie
singing I Have Nothing. So guys, this is going to be awesome. Let's get right into it. Oh, she looks so beautiful.
Oh my goodness, the love in it here, guys, is really, really massive. This is so lovely, guys.
I've never asked for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you wouldn't follow. I can hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Well, don't make me lose more time. I don't wanna hurt.
Oh, I love her boldness. I love that.
Stay in my arms if you dare. Oh, must I imagine you there? Don't look away from me, no. I have nothing if I don't have you.
So beautiful, guys. Like her cover for I Have Nothing, guys, it's beautiful, it's different. I love her boldness, guys. I observed that. I love her boldness, I love her charisma, I love how she sounds lovely. That is a word for her sound. Her voice, guys, her voice is very, very, very lovely. How is this for you?
I love her style. Like the way she sings with so much confidence. I really admire that.
Yeah.
Like wow, her vocal is wonderful. She sings so beautifully well. I'm really enjoying every bit of this. This I Have Nothing cover by Jessie J is amazing.
Really, really good.
You see through right to the heart of me. You break
backup
down
singers are
my walls with the strength of your love. Yes, I never knew love like I know it with you. Yeah, will our memories survive? One I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much further.
Okay.
I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I can hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide your love. I remember
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow!
This is good. This is good.
Well, don't make me love one more day.
Oh, that moment, that's amazing. This is beautiful, guys.
Are you kidding me?
This is beautiful.
Every day, I must stay in there.
Wow!
Turn you there. Don't walk away from me. No, I have nothing.
amazing, guys. This is really amazing.
Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me.
Damn, I love the
I
vibe.
have nothing, nothing, nothing.
Oh, guys, the audience. This is good.
If I don't have you.
Wow. 18 minutes. It's like this is
This is beautiful.
guys. This is so beautiful.
Oh.
This means the song. This means a lot.
I don't have you.
Wow.
So much.
Oh.
Oh, she's getting everyone teary, guys. This is so good.
This is so good.
This is an amazing song from her.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Guys, this is an amazing piece from her, guys. Like Jessie J, she's an amazing singer. Like feels like I've not heard her voice before. This is my first time hearing from her, and I love every aspect of the video. I enjoyed listening to her right now, guys. I love the fire in her. I love the sincerity in the song. She meant every lyric that comes out from her mouth. I love this music right here, guys. I love her performance. I love the love from the crowd when they stood up from standing ovation. She deserved this, guys. It's really, really amazing. That is the word I want to use for this. And her voice is lovely. I said that before. She's really, really good at what she does. And I would like to check out more about her, guys, and know more. So you can recommend more for us to check out. How was it for you?
Like, I really enjoyed every bit of this. Her vocal is awesome. Like the way she was singing, the high tone and everything, it was amazing. And she knows how to control her voice. She knows what to do. Like every bit of this was amazing. I really enjoyed this. She's an entertainer. Her performance is awesome. Her style and her skill is amazing. So guys, let me know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you guys next time.